What's up guys, my name is Liam Peterson, welcome back to my channel. Right now it is 2:26 in the morning. We're off to California! We're gonna go load up the car and get on the road and make our way down to the US of A. Woo! And we are officially off. Are you going back to sleep, Zoe?
Yeah.
Bye! Okay, it is now 12:30 and we officially just crossed the border into California. We've almost been driving 10 hours straight now. It's 12:30, we left at 3 this morning and we've only stopped once for like 15 minutes. Zoe here has slept the entire time. So she feels nice and rested. She just woke up. We didn't stop in Washington or Oregon, but we are gonna stop on the way back.
Right now we're gonna head to the Redwood forest.
Yes, and
have a little hike.
Have a little hike. Just another quick note. I'm really hoping this weather changes. I thought we'd leave the snow when we left Vancouver.
No, it's snowing.
There's a lot of snow here. There's a lot of rain. I brought completely shorts. We've made it! The Redwood forest! Look at the size of these things. Look at the size of that trunk! Wow. The rain stopped at the perfect time. It's just been a bit, but we found one of the biggest trees I've ever seen in my life. Oh my lordy. Wow. This is Zoe next to the tree. Wow. We just pulled up on this. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down and go next to it. It all of a sudden got really dark here and it's raining super fast now. It sucks because we planned to do Redwood Forest on our way down and today's the only day we could do it and it's raining, it's pouring rain. We can barely get outside. Even just to drive through it is so cool. Things took a turn for the worst. We're in the CVS parking lot. A massive storm came through while we were out. It's literally shaking the car right now as I'm sitting here. So we also got a little sick. She threw up in CVS. It's okay though, she's gonna feel better. We got her some food. Goldfish. Baby fish dude. I thought California was in a drought. How is it that the day we come it starts to rain? Just how things go. Mother Nature. I obviously did something wrong in the past and now she's punishing me, so. So we're driving on the coast right now and I wish I could show you something nice and sunny. But yeah, oh my God, did you see that? Holy cow, you can hear it. Oh no, hail. I'm gonna lose my hat, oh my God. Oh, the hail. That's beautiful view though, I will say that. Oh, where's the lightning, where's it? Please don't hit me, please don't hit me, please don't hit me. Cool color, you know what I mean? You're wearing white shoes, Zoe.
So are you.
Yeah, but mine are already dirty. The end to day one was a mess. Where do I start on this? A never-ending list, it seems. Be the fact that it's pouring rain out with thunder and lightning, that Zoe forgot her phone at CVS and we had to drive 45 minutes back. Could it be the terrible Italian dinner? Or how about the ants crawling all over Airbnb right now? You know what, tomorrow's a new day and maybe it's gonna be sunny out and good morning on day 2 from Arcata, California. We could hear the rain all night, so I don't know how much better the weather got. The ants were just as bad last night. It was really disgusting, really disgusting. We're moving on this morning. We're gonna get away from the ants. We're gonna get on the road here right away and head off to San Francisco. You ruined it.
I'm sorry.
You ruined the leaf.
Sorry.
That worked so hard to make it. Bagel review time with Zoe.
Yes, for you.
There we go.
Loved it.
We got a garlic bagel with butter, egg, and bacon.
Cool.
Okay, I recommend this bagel place if you're for some reason in Arcadia.
It's called
Arcata, Lost Bagels. Oh, I'm trying to get the sign. But your big head's in the way. Lost Bagels. So we decided because of the weather yesterday, we're gonna do some more stuff with the Redwoods this morning. We're gonna take the Avenue of the Giants road down to San Francisco. We're chasing that right now. That right there. What is that, Zoe?
Thundercloud.
No, we're not chasing the thunderclouds. We're chasing the blue sky.
Oh, I see.
We're entering the Avenue of the Giants right now. Holy! No one's coming. Look at that. Oh! Look at those. Look how big that is. Oh my god. This is so cool. Just want to express again how big these trees are. Here's the tree. And here's me. This is me. That's my wingspan. Eventually this is just gonna become a montage. Okay, this is Zoe. This is my car, and then this is the tree. Can we look at the size of this tree trunk right here? And look at that going up. Who lives in there?
The big ones. Aragog.
From where?
From Harry Potter.
Oh. Oh, I can totally see spider. Big tree. Here we go, we're gonna go big tree selfie. I think we ended that at a pretty good time. It's looking like it's starting to rain quite a bit. Yesterday it rained so much and everything went wrong, so I'm glad today we got that in. I think the pictures online that you see of those trees, it's just, and like probably what you'll see in this, it's just,
It doesn't seem that big.
it doesn't seem that big, but once you get there, it's just,
like,
dun dun
oh
dun. Whoa my god! Oh, that was cool. So now we're gonna take the freeway down to Fort Bragg. We have a couple hour drive down the coast for a bit, and we're gonna go to a place called Glass Beach. It's Highway 1 out to the shore right now.
Pretty vomiting.
And this windy road, it's getting to Zoe. And it's getting to me too. Oh.
That wasn't a vomit, that was just a burp.
Do we need to pull over?
No.
Here we go. Oh.
What is happening? Oh my god, it's literally like this.
It never stops. Look at, oh. Okay, we're getting up for two reasons, because we feel like we're gonna throw up. And Zoe said that she saw two little baby deers up here. Aww. Look how cute they are. Oh, they're going right up. Do you still feel like you're gonna throw up? Come here,
stay
honey.
away from me if you're gonna throw up.
I'm not gonna throw up. Are you gonna throw up? And 2 hours later, we have survived the turns, making stops every probably 20 minutes. And we've made it to the ocean, and we're just about to turn right onto the ocean right now. Look at that. The wind's picking up, but these shots are way too good to miss. Oh no! We're going to the beach. Yes, look at that. Oh my god, it's not even dented. Look how fresh the sand is. Oh my god. Does it feel nice on your toes?
Yeah,
is it warm?
It's warm.
We just went out to those sand dunes. Those were really cool. But the sun, it's here. All right, so the reason that we came to Fort Bragg was because of this place called Glass Beach, which we are right now trying to hide from the wind in these rocks right now, so you guys can hear me properly. The little pieces right there. Which one?
With the little.
Pick it. I found a piece. All day we've been driving in the mountains on this road, and I've been looking all day for a viewpoint, but it seems like every time I get to a viewpoint, there's trees blocking it. It's very pretty. You think we should go to San Francisco now? All right, let's go to San Fran. It's the bridge! The Golden Gate Bridge. Oh my god!
It's the Golden Gate Bridge.
We've made it. I can't believe we're here.
I can't believe it.
Well, so I think we're gonna end it there, guys, on the entrance of San Francisco. We just got past the Golden Gate Bridge. We're about to head to our Airbnb right now. We're gonna end it there after day 1 and 2 of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are looking forward to the rest of the trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.